large mouth. Yeah. I got it.
Lamontagne says they use social media to pull back their
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, it's not so big, but picked it right off. The tip broke off. So somehow, it's an expensive rod, so I don't want to just chuck it because an inch came off the tip. So I'm going to try to fix it when I get home. Got this nice large mouth. Not so much color, not very dark. Hey everybody, so I'm gonna fix the tip of my rod. So this is a good solution by Fuji. It comes with 3 tips, 3 different sizes, and I'm gonna use the smallest size here, which is 6/64 for the tip, and put it right there. Kind of looks funny because it's not spaced out like the other guides, but I don't care. It'll work just fine. So the first thing you do is take a little lighter. I have this from camping, and it comes with this wax tube. Light it up for about 3 seconds. It gets a little soft. So it's a little malleable right now, but do this fairly quickly because it's gonna dry up really soon. The smallest tip is just the right size to fit here. So put it on there. Oh, I can tell it's really firm. That's okay. It's nice and snug. I'm heating the metal part only, not the rod tip. And let the wax fall into place. So there it is. It's all fixed, looking good. Now I can use it again. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you next time.